Hello, hello, how are you? I am back again. John is with Mary, so I thought I would do a little bit of filming. I am super excited. I love Elemis, and today I'm going to be doing an Elemis unboxing. This is the Iconic collection. It is so pretty. It's such a beautiful gift. And because right now Elemis have a gift with purchase deal, if you buy this set and then spend an extra £10, you get another set which is worth £60. So it's kind of like you buy a set which is a deal, but then you spend an extra £10, but then you get another set which is also a deal. Do you know what I mean? It's like we're layering deals up here. So I think it's really good, which is why I thought I would do a video about it. So I hope you don't mind. And yeah, let's dive in. So this set is worth £127. However, it's currently being sold for £85. For a second I was like, oh my god, what's the price? But if you spend £95 on the Elemis website, you get this set for free. This set is very cute. It contains 4 products inside which are worth £60. I did do a video about it, so feel free to have a watch of that too. Anyway, today I'm going to focus on the Iconic collection because it is so beautiful. It's such a gorgeous gift set, and if you do have a birthday for anybody coming up, I would highly recommend this gift because it's so beautiful. I'm going to give mine to my mum because it is her birthday next month, and I know how much she absolutely adores Elemis, and it's just such a joyful gift. Anyway, this is the box it comes on, and then I'm just gonna whip it open and show you what you get inside. So inside you get this gorgeous wash bag. It is a very similar print to the gift with purchase bag. So if you're giving the 2 sets to one person, it could be like a his and hers, or it could be like one for like beauty products, one for makeup, one for beauty products, one for like medication, whatever you want. But it's really pretty. It's kind of like a William Morris design. It's absolutely gorgeous. And then on the inside we have £127 worth of products. So I'm going to show you what they are. I haven't actually seen them all myself yet. So this is a 50-gram pot of the Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. I love this stuff. One of my favourite cleansers ever. It smells so beautiful. You can give yourself such a good facial massage. It takes off all your makeup without stripping your skin. It's a beautiful, beautiful product. Absolutely love it. So that is the first thing that you get. Then we get the Fragpani Monoi body cream. I love this stuff. It's so rich, it's so thick, it's so moisturizing. Gorgeous if you've been in the sun. It's just absolutely dreamy, and it smells incredible. Kind of sweet, kind of florally, and a little bit like vanilla-y almost. It's absolutely gorgeous. This is a 100ml tube, and it's rich and thick enough to use on your hands as well, which is incredible because I get very dry hands. And then the next product that we've got is the Pro Collagen Marine Cleanser. I love this stuff. This works really well with this. This is like your first cleanse. This is your second cleanse. This is also a great shower cleanser. It just, I don't know, it's really refreshing, really hydrating, and it just kind of like takes it all off in a jiffy, and it's gorgeous. So this is the next item, 30ml tube. Absolutely love that. And what have we got next? Oh, I love these. The Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads. These are gorgeous. These are 14 pads. Some people use 2 per go and use 1 pad each side of their face. I personally just do 1 pad for my whole face because I'm thrifty and I like them to last a bit longer. But I love this product. They're so good. It just works a treat, makes you really glossy and glowy in a good way, not a sweaty way, and not like me. And then what have we got next? Oh yes, the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. This is the face cream that we all know and love. This is a 30ml pot. Absolutely gorgeous. It's going to last 2 months, and this alone is worth probably close to the entire price of the set. Like, it's a really, really good face cream. And I can tell you, in the gift with purchase, you get another little bit of the Pro Collagen Marine Cream. So between this one, which is 30ml, and the one that you get in here, which is 15ml, you're getting 45ml of their Dream Cream, which I think is incredible. I think that's, oh no, there's one more thing. I was like, I think that's the entire set. I'm wrong. There is one more thing. This is the Superfood Midnight Facial. This is a nourishing sleep cream, which I have never tried. But yeah, I will look forward to, well actually no, I won't look forward to trying it. My mum will look forward to trying it, but you never know, she might let me have a go. But yeah, that is the entire set. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Like I said, it's £127 worth of products. However, it's being sold for £85. If you spend another £10 and use the code, which I will put below with the link, you get a gift with purchase, which is worth £60. And I just think it's really, really good. It makes such a beautiful gift. Yeah, I just thought I would share it with you. So I best go downstairs because I have an inkling Mary is gonna wake up any second. But yeah, I thought I'd share it with you. But I think this is such a beautiful set. I absolutely love it. My mum is gonna adore it. And it's got all her favorite products in. And yeah, it's a good deal. It's a beautiful set. It's a beautiful gift. And the fact that you get the gift with purchase as well with an extra £10 spent is just so worth it. So I thought I would do a quick video about it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.